Yo guys, it's your boy Leon, and today I'm gonna be mixing some deadly ammo, some deadly firearm ammunitions. Huh. I'm gonna put in explosives, acidic, then armor piercing, and incendiary. What? But anyways, I'm gonna mix it. Firearm only. Whoa, that was really smooth. Anyways, time to test it out in 3, 2, 1. Whoa! That's crazy. Exact. Whoa, that's really crazy, isn't it? Boom! Yo! It can split people in half. This would be like a hunter's future god. Like, you gotta get serious for real. And yeah. Hey, jeez, are you twerking or what? Wait a second. Hey, yo! Skeletons are caught lacking. Wait, hold up. Wait, I forgot to turn this into a skeleton. Hey, yo! Oh, wait, even though it's still. But anyways, but still. Hey, yo!